A minor girl from Birchandra Ratachhara area of Shantirbazar subdivision has been missing since 5 days. It is alleged that the police have been informed but have not been able to find it yet. The incident took place on December 20. Even after 5 days, there is no trace of the minor girl. It is alleged that the police have been informed but have not been able to find yet. The minor's father further alleged that a married youth ran away with his daughter. The incident took place on December 20. The minor girl is a resident of Birchandra Ratachhara area of Shantirbazar subdivision, but she did not return home at night. After many search, the minor girl was not found and a written complaint was lodged by the family at Manpathar outpost. The girl's family complained that Amal Nuatia, a resident of Manpathar area, took the minor girl from the fair. This time, the father of the minor approached the media to find his daughter.
Ani Busaburoi, Tringmalawa, Tangmani, Kusmaya, Bisiban, Sobistika, Posis Zora Posunto, Kusneka, Malaya, Kuspatakuri, Switchtop, Anishawo, Chini Paranka, Birchandra Ratachhara, Salaninka, Monepathor, Hadupara, Salamunka, Omolnoitia, Rani and Suni Buringa, Lipid de Burma.
Busuk kelas berapa?
9 Peru. 9 Peru mana? 3 bosra hayangka. Ekla tahu thana phakyang janong gani procession orang bagai.
Reporter by Bikram from Shantirbazar, Chini Khorang.